Hey, it's Neil. Welcome to my new house, and today I have it's Mingyu Mingyu Trade EUYGNIM. Okay, there, you can read it yourself. That's what I got here, and I'm in my new house, and I needed some clippers and things like that for my stuff, so I got this kit. Check this out. This is a whole huge kit of all sorts of manicure, pedicure stuff. So we're gonna check this out and see what kind of stuff it's got in here. It looks like it's got a cuticle pusher here. I'll get close here so we can just see it in here so I don't have to take everything out, guys. Yeah, I think it's a cuticle pusher, a little poker thing for it. This here, a little spatula kind of thing. Yeah, you can just see all these little pieces and parts. You can look at them yourself, figure out what they are. I mean, some of these things are like chisels. I don't know what I would use some of these for, but what I needed it for mostly was the clippers, and this nice little clipper there and some scissors. I like it. It's a pretty good basic kit. It kind of folds up and is nice and portable, so you could take it with you anywhere you go, but I got it to actually keep here at the house, but it's nice and convenient. I'm going to put a link to it in the description, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with more stuff. And so far I like it. I'll let you know if for some reason it doesn't cut or anything, but I don't see why not. So should be okay. But thanks for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.